Hello everyone, my name is Oliver and this is a quick review of the Wim Hof app. Not of the Wim Hof method itself, which is amazing. Basically I've only just started, I've been doing it a month and a week, I think about. What I did on purpose, for a month I on purpose didn't go any deeper than just 25 rounds by 25 deep breaths and 5, just really simple, coming from the London and Real example, doing it in a group. So I didn't dive into all of the details. I didn't get the app. I didn't listen to, basically I knew that this Wim Hof thing was a bit of a thing, so I thought let's just do the basic thing, get a basic practice up and running and go with it like that. So I did that for a solid month, at least 5 rounds a day, and got some good results. And now I just got the app a couple of days ago, and of course Wim Hof gives the details and how to do it properly and all the right things. So this is a quick review after about 4 or 5 days of listening to him and doing it with him. Again, at least twice a day. And wow, so again, I'm getting better results, better Wim Hof breathing results. Now I'm also doing cold showers pretty much every day as well. So the app, this is a quick app review. It's good, it's great. So what can I say? It's good, it's great, it's worth its money. It's definitely worth. I've already got my money's worth because of the insight that he's giving in the specialized videos there, which are great. There's the specialized videos there, which go into depth. So he talks about how and why. Yeah, so that's really good. So what do you guys think? Is anyone else out there who thinks that the app's no good? Gee, I mean, if you're doing the breathing and the other things, like I haven't got into all of the teaching thing. Now I'm probably going to ignore, just not, like, disciplinedly not do some of the things he's saying. I'm not going to say what I'm not doing, what I am doing. The breathing I'm definitely doing. That I'm committed to doing deeply and properly, exactly as he is saying. And I can see that because I already had my basic discipline practice, now he's stretching me to go deeper, harder. And part of the reason I'm doing that, I'm one of those people that kind of likes to own my own practice. I tend to like to lead it myself. Not that I can't be led or taught, but I like to own it myself. And then when I own it myself, I kind of make it mine and I learn kind of through my own experience. But then I really learn it quite deeply. Now, what I've been doing is I've been sort of also moving my body in a certain way and trying to push the energy or the oxygen in a different area, and it feels like it's going places. Anyway, so the app is great. Wim Hof, if you're watching this, I would love to have a close-up of you breathing really closely. You guys, you inspire us. You inspire us. So, and when I see you breathing like, it's a bit of a thing, Looks like we're watching a Jedi Master, something like that, So we're gonna have a close-up, when there's a close-up picture of you on the internet, like looking right at the camera, with that hood on the back, like a Jedi Master. It's inspiring, and then watching you breathing that way, like a real close-up, that would be great if you could also have an extra video doing it like that. Another thing, Wim Hof request. Put it in other languages. I'm only an English speaker, but I'm sure there's some people who would love to have it in other languages. At least the written words, that would be great. Or languages. That would just be a request. That would be great. Thank you so much, everyone. Buy the app. It's great. Do the things. Get into it. It's such a good thing. In terms of a physical, it's a physical practice. Now, let me go on. It is a physical practice, but there's a certain amount of focus ability And there's a link below to another video about focus, which I think is the best defined TED Talk about focus, about what it is and how to do it. And so therefore, doing the Wim Hof thing, there's a certain practice and getting better at just focusing, because the mind tends to wander as it does. And then you tend to get quite a little bit inspired or happy or airheaded. And you know, yeah, and there's things that happen. So it's actually kind of a meditation practice, because you have an object. And meditation is defined as you have an object and you're trying to keep your mind on an object. And in this meditation practice, the object is this specific type of breathing. And so therefore it is a meditation practice. I'm finding that that's also really great in terms of something to focus on. Thank you, Wim Hof, for pushing the envelope. And thanks to everyone who can get into the Wim Hof thing. And yeah, let's spread the word. Practice. And wow. Okay, now, yeah, that'll do, because it's about the app. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.